What a beautiful classic Cadillac I have here. It's a 1978 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz. Last year of this body style, she is gorgeous. It's triple white, button tuck leather interior, factory moonroof. Look at the Biarritz chrome. It's in beautiful condition. Love it. Seats, just amazing. Moonroof. Check out this Eldorado. She's running right now. She runs and drives great. Triple white is definitely the best color you can get in this car. Just a stunning 1978 triple white Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz, the ultimate Brooklyn cruiser right here. Check us out, HollywoodMotorsUSA.com. Listen to her run, she purrs. What a beautiful car. Only 75,000 original miles also.